you're gonna have to eat for the rest of your life.
Am I right?
Except for this guy. He's a breatharian. It's a real thing. It's like photosynthesis, but for humans. Photosynthesis. You're here because you want to take baby steps towards living more of a sustainable life. Maybe you're worried about the future of the planet. Maybe you want to get a little bit more healthy. Or maybe you love animals.
Like me.
Not animals like me, but like I love animals. Also, I'm an animal.
Most people love animals. It's the reality.
Anyone who knows me knows that I hate to cook. I've been vegan for 27 years and I f***ing hate to cook. Veganism is not a diet, it's a lifestyle, and I chose to live this lifestyle as an ethical choice because I love animals. They're kind of the best thing ever. They're just
Pure love.
incarnate is what the animals are. Today, we're going to speak with expert vegan chef Brina. Ta-da!
Hello.
It's Brina! Brina is going to show us 3 simple meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here's the deal. We worked it out, okay? If everyone was willing to change just 1 meal a day for 1 month, here's how much we would save. Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry for life?
Are you hungry for life?
Are you
For breakfast, I thought about making a smoothie bowl, banana based, and then chocolate, peanut butter, all the good stuff, and it's super healthy and delicious.
I'm literally salivating right now.
Go.
Get it.
Okay. You know, we just want to make it pretty because we know it's already going to taste amazing, but you also eat with your eyes. We're just going to add some fresh fruit. You can go with the flow, like whatever fruit you like. We're going to put some more bananas, top it up with some granola. Yeah.
She made this shit at fucking 7 a.m. What the fuck?
Oh my God, she's really looks so pretty. And yeah, we just make it really pretty.
Oh my God, we did it.
Yeah, we did it.
We actually did in this case. So it's cheap, right? Under $2.
Yeah,
It was easy to make. It was very easy.
it was.
I can handle that.
It's 5 minutes, guys. You just freeze your fruit and then you're done, basically. And it's packed with nutrients from the fruits. There's also peanut butter, so you also have plenty of protein in here. Around 17, we calculated.
17 grams of protein.
17 grams of protein.
Pretty good.
In the blender, you can also add some protein powder if you want. Like if you're doing this muscle thing at the gym and you want some extra protein for some reason, here you go. You just put it in here and you have a full meal. Amazing.
Yeah, have it. Oh my God, this... Dude, you could eat that shit for breakfast?
And
Are you in?
I'm
Are you?
he's in! He's in! Here. Whoa. Here. For lunch, a chickpea salad sandwich. It's super simple and delicious. You don't even need to cook something. You just chop, and ready. To make the onion more digestible, we just want to put some water, let it sit with the water for like 10 minutes at least, and maybe a pinch of salt. Let's just chop it.
The more you eat, the more you fart.
Yes. This way. You could do it with a fork.
You could do it with the fork.
That's perfect.
Okay.
Just stop right here.
Okay. I am genuinely and authentically excited to know how to make this because, like,
delicious.
Woo! It's easy, and also I'm throwing the recipe, and of course you can follow it through, but know that you can play with it and use different ingredients. It's a seaweed. It will give us the flavor of the sea. You can also skip it if you don't have it, but I really recommend you to use it. This is an alga nori sheet, so we put it in the blender because we're gonna chop it very finely. You can also use the knife, but it's gonna be more challenging, so that's why I'm using this. Celery goes in. And then the cape. So 1 tablespoon of tahini goes in. Mustard. Yeah, we can squeeze half of one lime. Salt and pepper. You have to taste it every time. Try it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This? Yeah?
Wow.
Okay,
Holy
let's make
shit.
Let's make the sandwich.
Guys ever get like turned on by food?
All the time.
Give me some of that chickpea. Oh. If there's hair in your food later, guys, this could be a new thing for me.
Some of this. This way?
Yeah.
So again, mayonnaise or tahini, as you wish.
You know what I love about tahini?
Yeah.
Tahini has, I don't know how much, but tahini has a good amount of iron.
This is an amazing lunch packed with protein and nutrients. And also when you combine any legumes with grains, you will get the complete protein that you need. It's 17 grams of protein for one portion. Wow. So lunch is ready under, what is it, like 15 minutes? Let's eat it. Let's eat it. Cheers.
It's time for dinner.
Yay! We are making an Indian-inspired dal. It's gonna be super quick, super easy. Basically, we just soak them so they're more digestible.
This is everything? This is all we need?
Yeah, it is.
Dude, this is so simple. I can do this. 3 portions we're making?
Yeah.
And how much is that going to cost, do you think? Each portion? Like $1?
Yeah, something like that.
So cheap and such a good source of protein. If I can do this, you can do this. I'm talking to you, Caroline.
Time to put some spices in. Woo! Cumin, other seeds.
Water in the pan. Wait, that took no time. You just soaked those for like 5 minutes.
Yeah, you don't even need to soak them, but I just soak them because of the anti-nutrients and stuff. Yeah, it's just better to soak them for a few minutes and rinse it and then put it here.
All I heard was, but you don't have to.
Yeah, you don't have to. And I mean, red lentils are such a great source of protein because it's not like chickpeas. You need to like soak them for 8 hours and cook them and stuff like this. This is like straightforward. If you want something like damn easy, you go for the red lentils. Water goes in.
Wow, this is so simple.
Lid as well, and we forget about it for a while.
This is my favorite sentence of all day. Forget about it.
Just put the lid on and forget about it. Where's the lid? Here. Just
Leave
forget about it.
Oh.
Now we're just gonna wait.
Now we're gonna wait and
For our dinner. Wow, look, it's in 10 minutes.
Yeah. So fast.
Wow, they're almost done. And now we're gonna put some coconut milk.
This is actually the perfect meal for someone like me, like literally, because it really took no time. And it is very cheap and it is very healthy. As someone who's working on getting fit in the gym, so I am looking for that protein and I am looking to spend as little time in the kitchen. This plate.
Here we are.
She really knows how to spoon things, people. Even just the way she spills. Look at that finesse.
Some parsley or cilantro. Yeah.
I love cilantro.
Either cilantro.
It's a love-hate thing.
Yeah.
Give me a thumbs up if you love that cilantro.
And also lime. A legume and a grain
Yeah?
will make a complete protein for you.
Yeah, I don't know what it means. Let's be honest. I do not know what complete protein means. Protein.
If you eat them separately, they're not going to cover all the amino acid that you need, but combined, you're going to have everything.
I was cold.
That reminds me of nothing. 3 meals to save the planet. I'm in.
I'm in. Imagine I'm sold. Imagine
8 billion people were willing to change 1 meal a day. We would create like a surge, like just a surge of energy. We could literally like direct the economy with our choices. 8 billion people chose you 1 meal a day. We could save the motherfucking planet.
We did it.
We saved the planet.
We saved the planet.
Ta-da! With 3 simple meals. We didn't, but it's a good start. You know, start somewhere. Start anywhere. 3 times a day, we have the opportunity to vote. Our dollar directs pretty much everything, even love.
All right.
So basically, every time we pay for something, that's like us saying, I want you to continue doing this thing. We literally vote with our dollar. So this is one of the most important actions, one of the most powerful actions we can take is to decide how to direct our money.
How would economy grab ratio?
The whole idea is to just start somewhere. So just choose one meal for 1 month. Swap out your breakfast, swap out your lunch, or swap out your dinner. See how good you feel, making loving choices for animals, humans, and the planet. That was not scripted, but I think it was pretty good. When we really say yes to making change on an individual basis, one step at a time, one meal at a time, that's where change is made, bitches. That's how change is made. If you want to join us, hit that like button. Yeah, daddy. My recent 25-year-old lover taught me how to spank properly. You gotta come from the bottom. You paying attention? Bottom. You know, because otherwise we can hurt, yeah? See this? Okay. See, I like it. I like it.